Hi everyone, here we've got LG Wing, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's tap on lock screen and security. As you can see here, we've got the fingerprints option, so let's enter, and now your device is telling you that you will be able to unlock your phone with your fingerprint. What's more, the data for it will be saved only to your phone, and you will be able to delete it wherever you want actually. So simply tap on next. Now we have to add an additional screen lock. If you've got one currently set, no worries, you will be just transferred to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now, because this is a second way to unlock your phone. So for example, in case that the fingerprint sensor will crash, then you will be able to unlock your device. And it's very important, actually remember this lock screen, because if not, and in case that the fingerprint won't work, then you will be unable to unlock your phone, and you will have to erase all the data, for example in the hard reset operation. So now you can choose from the pattern, pin or password. Simply tap on the option you'd like to use, for example the pattern. Now let's draw the pattern, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. And as you can see here, we've got the notification settings, so here we can turn them on or off just by tapping on the switcher, and leaving them on you can choose the style, so you can show the icons, and after tapping on the icon you will see the notification content, or you can show content without any icons, but I will show the icons for example. So simply make sure that the option you'd like to use is marked, and here you can decide if you'd like to hide sensitive notification content, and I think I will leave it like this. So simply tap on apply if you are ready. And now we have to add our fingerprint, and in order to do that we have to place our finger on the sensor, which is located right here. So let me do it. And as you can see, now I have to do it multiple times in order to add my fingerprint fully. And now we have to unroll our finger in order to add all of the edges of it, of course for better recognition. So tap on next and unroll your finger. And as you can see, we just added our fingerprint. If you would like to add another, just tap on more. If not, tap on OK. And as you can see here, we've got our fingerprint settings. This is the finger we just added. We can remove it by tapping on the stretch man icon on, or rename it by tapping on it. So it's a cool option if you've got a lot of fingerprints added. So let me rename mine. Tap on save, and as you can see, it immediately changes. Of course, you can add a fingerprint by tapping here, and you can check for fingerprints. So if you've got, for example, 3, 4 or 5 fingerprints added, then you can tap on it, and this is, let's say, a test, and your device will detect the finger you just put on the sensor. Under it we've got the customization options, so here we can decide if you'd like to use the fingerprint as a screen lock, and now it is obviously turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on the switcher, but let me turn it on. Here we've got the content lock, so you can use your fingerprint in order to lock the gallery or a quick memo. So it's up to you if you'd like to turn it on. And here we've got the option to tap to show icon when screen is off. So now it is turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on the switcher. Oh, sorry, that was a misclick. Just tap on the switcher, but I would leave it like this. As you can see here, we've got the icon effect, so we can tap on it, and here we can customize the sensor, the look of the sensor. So we've got 3 different options to choose from. If you'd like to set, for example, this one, just tap on it, mark it, and get back, but I think I will leave the default one. Okay, so actually this is the whole customization and adding the fingerprint. So now we can check if it is working. Let's lock our device. And as you can see here, we've got the sensor, so let me put my finger on it. And as you can see, this device is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint to it. What's more, we can unblock it another way. Let me show you. Just by using the pattern, pin or password you just set. So here we've got the sensor. Of course, you can put your finger on it, but you can also swipe and enter the pattern, for example. And as you can see, it is also unblocked. So actually that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your LG Wing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.